Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my first time riding a bicycle alone. This story happened when I was a child. At that time, I really wanted a bicycle. Many children in my neighborhood had bicycles. Every afternoon, I saw them riding around happily. Some rode very fast. Some rode slowly and talked with friends. When I watched them, I felt excited. I thought, one day I want to ride a bicycle too. One day, my father came home with a bicycle. It was not very big. It was a simple bicycle with a blue color. When I saw it, I became very happy. I ran to my father immediately. I smiled and said, "Is this bicycle for me?" My father smiled and said yes. I felt so excited that I could not stop smiling. I touched the bicycle carefully. To me, it looked amazing. I wanted to ride it immediately. The next morning, my father took me outside. There was a large open area near our house. Many children often played there. My father said, "Today, I will teach you." At first, I felt excited, but after a few minutes, I started feeling nervous. Riding a bicycle looked easy when other people did it, but when I tried, it felt very different. I sat on the bicycle slowly. My father stood behind me. He held the bicycle carefully. I held the handlebars tightly. My hands felt a little cold. I was afraid of falling. My father said, "Don't worry, I'm here." I slowly put my feet on the pedals. Then I started moving very slowly. At first, everything felt difficult. I could not balance well. The bicycle moved left. Then it moved right. I felt scared. After a few seconds, I almost fell. Luckily, my father quickly held the bicycle. He smiled and said, "It's okay, try again." So I tried again, and again, and again. Sometimes I moved a little farther. Sometimes I stopped immediately. Many times I lost balance. Once I actually fell down. I was surprised. My knee hurt a little. I looked at the ground quietly. For a moment, I wanted to stop. I thought maybe riding a bicycle is too difficult. But then my father walked toward me. He helped me stand up. He smiled and said, "Falling is part of learning." Then he said something I still remember today. He said, "If you stop now, you will never know if you can do it." I thought about his words. Then I looked at the bicycle again. I took a deep breath. And I tried one more time. This time, I felt a little more confident. I sat on the bicycle again. My father held it from behind. I started moving slowly. I looked straight ahead. I tried not to think too much. I just kept moving, pedal after pedal. Slowly, I felt something different. The bicycle felt more stable. I felt more relaxed. The wind touched my face softly. I heard my father say something behind me, but I could not hear clearly. Then suddenly, I realized something. My father was not holding the bicycle anymore. I looked back quickly. He was standing far away. I felt shocked. For a few seconds, I was riding alone. Alone. I became excited immediately. I shouted, "I'm doing it!" I felt so happy. I continued riding slowly. I smiled very widely. I felt free. I felt proud. Then, after a few more seconds, I lost balance again, and I fell. But this time I laughed because I did it. Even for a short moment, I rode a bicycle alone. My father walked over and laughed too. He said, "See, I told you." That day, I practiced for a long time. Little by little, I improved. After several days, I could ride very well. Soon, I started riding with my friends. We rode around the neighborhood together. We laughed and raced each other. Those days became beautiful memories. But what I remember most is not the bicycle. It is the lesson from that day. I learned that learning something new is difficult at first. Sometimes we fall. Sometimes we feel afraid. Sometimes we want to give up. But if we continue, step by step, we become stronger. Even today, when I try something difficult, I remember that bicycle lesson. I remember falling down. I remember standing up again. And I remember the moment I finally rode alone. Before I finish my story, I want to say something to you. Do not be afraid of falling, because falling is not failure. Giving up is failure. Keep trying. One day, you will ride your own bicycle too. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.